Hello dear students, it's time for the maths lecture. So in today's class we are going to start new exercise 11.3, which is on book page number 172. So fastly open your textbook and open page number 172, exercise 11.3. Be ready with your notebook and writing materials. Okay, your first question is find the starting time for the following activities. A, B, C and D. 4 parts are given here. I will solve only 2 questions on board, 2 you will solve. Okay. So, here what is your task according to question? Find the starting time. Find the starting time. Means here we have to find a starting time. Now see the part A. Finishing time is given and time duration is given. Now what is time duration? Do you know what is time duration? To complete any task we need 2 times. One is a starting time and one is finishing time or ending time, right? To complete any work or any task we have 2 times, starting time and ending time, or starting time and finishing time. Right, and the time taken, time difference between these 2 time, that is starting and finishing time, the difference of the time is known as time duration. Okay, so I hope you got what is time duration. Means जितना time हमको उस काम को करने में लगा will be known as time duration. Suppose you are giving exam, right? Your exam starts at 9 AM. Your exam starts at 9 AM and it finishes at 12 noon. Right? So how many hours? What was the time duration? Starting time is 9 AM and finishing time of exam is 12 noon. So the time provided for examination is 3 hours, right? From 9 AM to 10 AM 1 hour, from 10 AM to 11 AM 2 hours, and from 11 AM to 12 noon 3 hour total, 3 hour. So these 3 hours, this result is the time duration. Means to finish exam, how many hours are given? 3 hours are given. So these 3 hours will be known as time duration. So whenever we will talk about time duration, we have 2 times. One is the starting time and one is finishing time. So in question number 1, we need to find starting time. Whereas 2 things are given. Finishing time is given and duration of time is given. We will find starting time. So see on the board, I hope you got what is time duration. To cover the difference of 2 timings is called time duration. Okay, now question number 1, find starting time. Right, it is the question, find the starting time. Now I am writing a hint. To find starting time, use this hint to solve all A, B, C and D parts of the question number 1. To find starting time, what we do? We count backward. Or subtract. You can do two things. Okay, you can draw the timeline and you can count backward to find the starting time. Or other thing you can do, by two methods we can solve such questions. We can draw a timeline and we can count backward. Okay, and the other method is we can subtract the time duration from finishing time. This is the hint which we will use to solve the questions. Okay, to find starting time, two methods we have. One is we can draw a timeline and then we can count backward, and the other is or subtract the time duration from finishing time. Means basically to find starting time, what we will do, we will subtract. Two things are given, finishing time is given and time duration is given. Finishing time is 7:12 p.m. You know the meaning of PM? PM means post meridian. What is the time duration? 4 hours. Okay. Now in solution we will write, we know that starting time is equals to, finishing time minus time duration. Finishing time minus time duration. Okay. Now, do we have any value for starting time? No. But we have value of finishing time and time duration. So we will write starting time as it is. As we don't have any value of starting time, so write starting time as it is. Starting time is equal to finishing time. What is the value of finishing time in question? 7:12 p.m. minus time duration. What is the time duration? 4 hours. Okay. Now arrange both the number column wise and subtract them. In rough work, what you will do? You will arrange both the numbers column wise as 7:12 minutes. 7:12 p.m. means what? 7:12 minutes. So in rough work, see here. In rough work, what you will do? You will write hours and minutes. What is hour? 7:12 minutes. And the next is 4 hours. Nothing is in the minute, so write 0, 0. Now subtract both. 12 minus 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 0 is 1, 7 minus 4 is 3. So when we subtract 4 hours from 7:12 minutes, we get 3:12 minute as our result. So this is how in rough work you can arrange the numbers column wise and subtract them. So this is how we find the starting time. Just use this formula. Starting time is equals to finishing time minus time duration. Now we have the value for finishing time, so we write. We have the value of time duration, so we write here and subtracted them and get our final answer. So starting time is equals to finishing time minus time duration. Okay, now we will solve question number B. Take the screenshot of the solution. Now we will solve question number B. Question number B. In this question also we will find starting time, and to find starting time two data are given. One is finishing time, given is 11:56 p.m. It is finishing time of the work. And what is the time duration given? Time duration is 5 hours 25 minutes. Right? It is a given question. What is our task? Our task is to find starting time. So we know that according to it, we know that to find starting time we have a formula, finishing time minus time duration. Or what we do, subtract the time duration from finishing time. So starting time is equals to finishing time minus time duration, right? Now we don't have any value for starting time, so we will write starting time as it is. Starting time is equals to, now finishing time. What is the value of finishing time? 11:56 p.m. Minus sign, so put minus sign here. Now time duration. What is the value of time duration? Time duration is 5 hours 25 minutes. Now in rough work, we will arrange our both the numbers column wise. We remember we will write hours in hours column and minutes in minutes column. So here 11 hours 56 minutes. 11 is hours and minutes column we will make, and 11 we will write in hours column, 56 in minutes column. Next number is 5 we will write in hours column, and 25 we will write in minutes column. Now what is the task? To subtract them, so put a minus sign. Now subtract 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 2 is 3, 11 minus 5 is 6. So after subtracting, what we got? We got 6 hours 31 minutes. 6 hours 31 minutes. So starting time is equals to, when we subtract these two, what we got? We got 6 hours 31 minutes. 6 hours 31 minutes. Now I am clearing this rough work. So this is the solution for part B of question number A. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. 6:31 p.m. What was the starting time? 6:31 p.m. Okay, now we will solve part C of question A. Part C of question A. Again we will find starting time. Two things are given, finishing time and time durations are given. Question number C. Finishing time given is 12 noon. 12 noon. Noon means दोपहर के 12 बजे. 12 noon. time duration given is 10 hours 48 minutes. Okay. Finishing time is 12 noon and time duration is 10 hour 48 minutes. Now we know that starting time is equals to finishing time minus time duration. We have this formula. Time duration is equals to, starting time is equals to finishing time minus time duration. Now in the next step we will put the values of finishing time and time duration. 12 noon. 12 finishing time is 12 noon minus what is the time duration? 10 hour 48 minute. Okay. Here 12 noon means what? Exactly दोपहर के 12 बजे. So again we will make hours column and minutes column. 12 noon means 12 past 00 minutes, right? Now what is our time duration? Our time duration is 10 hour. So I am writing 10 in hours column and 48 I am writing in minutes column, right? Now we will subtract both. So put minus sign and subtract them. 0 minus 8 is not possible. 0 minus 4 is not possible. So what we will do? We will take borrow. We will take borrow. As here 0 minutes are there, so we will take borrow from the neighbors column. But neighbors column is in hours and this column is in minutes. So we will take 1 minute borrow from this hours column. If we take 1 minute means, we will take 1 hour from this, and 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes, right? Here only 11 will left, right? If this 12 hour give 1 minute, 1 hour to this column, how many hours will left here? 11 hours will left here, right? And you know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So in minutes we can write 60. Now 0 minus 8 not possible. So we will take 1 borrow from here. It will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 5 minus 4 is 1. Here in this hours column 11 minus 10 is 1. So when we subtract 10 hours 48 minutes from 12 noon, we get 1:12 a.m. Our time is 1:12 a.m. Now I am clearing the rough one. Take the screenshot of the solution. So this is how we find the starting time. This is how we find starting time by using the formula. Now I hope question number part D you can do it by yourself. It's very easy, just put the values of finishing time and time duration in the formula and subtract and get your answer. So part D you will try by yourself and match your answer from back side of your book. Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 we will solve. Now read the question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is find the finishing time. In question number 1 what we are finding? We were finding starting time. In question number 2 we will find finishing time. Okay. Question number 2 now we are solving. Find finishing time. hit. To find finishing time, add the starting time, add the starting time and the time duration. Okay. To find the starting time, what we were doing? We were subtracting time duration from finishing time. Here what we will do? We will add time duration with starting time. This is the hint only. So see how we will solve question number 8. Two things are given. Now starting time is given. 10 a.m. Starting time is given and time duration is also given. Time duration is 3 hours 20 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes. These two data are given. Starting time 2:10 a.m. and time duration is given. And our task is to find, what is task? To find finishing time. So we will write, we know that according to hint, what we need to do here? We will add starting time and time duration. So we will write, we know that finishing time. Here we are finding finishing time. So we will write finishing time is equals to starting time plus starting time plus time duration. This is the formula. Finishing time is equals to starting time plus time duration. Now we don't have any value for finishing time, so write finishing time as it is. Finishing time is equals to starting time. What is the value of starting time? 2:10 a.m. plus time duration. What is the time duration? 3 hours 20 minutes. Now our task is to add both the times. We will arrange them according to hours and minutes. So in rough work, hours and minutes. In rough work, arrange 2 hours 10 minutes and time duration is 3 hours 20 minutes. What operation we are applying here? We are applying addition. So put a plus sign here. Now add them. 0 plus 0, always start addition from one's column. 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 2 is 3. Right? Now 2 plus 3 is 5. So what is the finishing time? 5:30 am. 5:30 am. So finishing time is equals to 5:30 am. Be remember always your starting or ending time will be in AM or PM. Starting and ending time will be in AM and PM, and time duration always will be in hours and minutes. Okay, time duration will always be in hours and minutes, and starting and finishing time and starting and ending time will be in AM or PM. So as it is finishing time, so I wrote here AM because starting time was in AM. Take the screenshot of the solution. Now part B. of the same question, that is part B of question number 2. Part B, starting time given is, look at your book, starting time given is 3:05 p.m. and time duration given is 5 hour 20 minutes. 5 hour 20 minutes. Okay. These two datas are given and your task is to find finishing time. Right? Question is find finishing time. So we know that finishing time is equals to starting time plus time duration. Now put the value of starting time and time duration in the formula. In the next step we will write finishing time is equals to starting time is 3:05 p.m. means 3 hour 5 minutes plus 5 hour 20 minutes. Okay. Now in rough work we will arrange our given time in respective hours and minutes column. Okay. So in rough work make hours column and minutes column. 3 hour 5 minutes and next one is 5 hour 20 minutes. We are applying addition operation, so put a plus sign. Now add them. 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2, 3 plus 5 is 8. Our result is 8 hour 25 minutes means 8 is to 25 p.m. Finishing time will be 8 is to 25 p.m. Now I am clearing this rough part. So it is your final answer. Take the screenshot of the solution. Okay. Now we will solve part C. Starting time given is 5:10 AM. सुबह के 5:10 and what is the time duration? Time duration is 14 hour 50 minutes. 14 hour 50 minutes. Right? Two datas are given. Starting time is given, time duration is given. What is our task? Our task is to find finishing time, right? So we know that finishing time is equals to starting time plus time duration. As we don't have any value for finishing time, so write finishing time as it is equals to starting time. What is the starting time? 5:10 AM plus sign, you put plus sign here. Now time duration. What is the value of time duration? 14 hour 50 minutes. Okay. Now both the times, we have two times, we want to add them. So in rough work, arrange both the number column wise in hours and minutes column. We will write 5 in hours column and 10 in minutes column, and then 14 in hours column and 15 minutes column. Now we are applying addition operation, so put a plus sign. Now add both. 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 5 is 6, right? 60 minutes. 60 minutes means how many hours? 60 minutes means 1 hour. So I am putting 0 here the hours column. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, so 0 here, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 1 is 2, 20, your time is 20. Now 20 means what? It is the timing in 24-hour format, and in according to 24-hour format we show 8 p.m. by 20. We show 8 p.m. by 20. It is the 24-hour format timing. And if I want to write in 12-hour format, it will be 8 p.m. So your final answer is 8 p.m. or 20 hours. Now I am erasing the rough one. So this is how we find finishing time by using this formula. Now question number D will be your homework. Solve in your copy and check your answer from back side of the book. So today's lecture is over here. We will meet in another lecture with new concepts. Till then, complete all this work. Take the screenshot of the solution. See. So 2 questions covered. Question 1 and question 2 cover here. Okay. Class is over. Bye students.